We can go either way, right? This one over here, or the collar as well. Sometimes I can reach over there, but sometimes I can reach the collar too. The collar, exactly the same, right? Always I pull it into me and then put the pressure and trying to create the reaction, right? And always can initiate it, use the reaction, right? When he reacts, I go with the position, or if Kenny doesn't, I start it, okay? It's not a big deal too, okay? But this one over here, we're gonna start, or beside of his ribs over here, or the collar. I can't reach there, or sometimes it's too loose over here, we'll reach the collar too. I'm pulling Kenny to me. It's exactly the same. But as Kenny shrimps out, exactly the same, shrimp out, I go this way over here, but now look at this. I'm pulling Kenny to me. As I hit him my knee to the ground, I'm pushing him. And the reason why it's very simple when I do it the collar, okay? It's a little bit different than one we do, just a little bit. And the reason why it's very simple, because if I just come this way over here and stay over here, look at the gap over here. Kenny's gotta get under, right? And then also, Kenny can get the underhook too. Just go from there, just right under, just right there. There you go, and that's gonna give me a hard time, okay? So, if we do it the collar over here, same thing, but now look at this. As soon as Kenny shrimp out, there, and then I push him. Get the underhook. And he won't be able to get the underhook. See, I'm pushing, I'm monitoring Kennedy. My elbow now is connected to the hips. If he tries to get under, boom, I close the gap over here. And then that's when I can get the time, reach the collar. Now, get the underhook, another pit stop over here. I don't want to pass for now for this position. Now, if I can't get the crossface, gable grip, I'll do it, pull his head to me, adjust the position, then I'll pass, okay?
Vem, Macalenga, rojão, traz a senha do